Hi, okay, so this week, just like I told you, it's going to look a little bit different. So we have a book report recipe. Your assignment is to write a book report in a recipe format. If the recipe is followed correctly and all the ingredients are mixed according to directions, the result will be a delicious report that will excite the appetites of many readers. So then notice we have ingredients. We have a cup of plot, 2 teaspoons of characters, 2 tablespoons of excitement, half a cup of opinion, and 1 teaspoon of recommendation. 1 cup of plot. Tell what the story is about, but don't give away the ending. So notice that you have a really big space here. So we need to have probably 4 to 5 complete sentences in this area to be able to completely tell about the plot of the story. Same for the 2 teaspoons of characters down here. It says, who are the main characters? Describe them briefly. So this is space enough for you to write about 4 to 5 sentences. On the 3rd page, we have 2 tablespoons of excitement. Select a short passage from the book that describes something exciting that happened. Try to find one that has the main character in it. So you are going to describe that passage. You are not going to copy it down into the space here. You're going to pick the passage and describe it here. And again, it will take probably about 4 to 5 complete sentences to do this correctly. Then you have a half a cup of opinion. What did you like about the book? What didn't you like about the book? Again, you have a pretty good space here. That might be about 3 to 4 sentences right here to really give a good description about what you liked and didn't like about the book. On the last page, we have 1 teaspoon of recommendation. Whom do you think would enjoy this book? And don't forget why. So, who would you recommend this book to? What kind of a reader would like this book, and why would they like the book? It looks like you can fit about 3 to 4 sentences here. And then you need to draw a picture from the book. So pick your favorite part and then make a little cartoon illustration in the box here.